our women. No other people anywhere, no women anywhere that can compete with our women. I'm so happy. Yes, here are the sons. Here are the sons of the beautiful ladies of the Bay Area. Yes and yes, yes. Lole Meli Fedelecha, Belecha, Negoli, yes. This is us. This is the ICF. This is the ICF women. All the men in the house. Yes, Hanya, Yana. This is our women. These are our beautiful women. The ICF women. Oh my goodness, where they are. Beautiful, elegant, majestic, and imaginative. We love you. We care for you. This is my name. Gentlemen in the hall, this is the time for you, the only opportunity in the day for you to show these women how much you care and love them. And I don't want to call you out. This is how we demonstrate to them that we love them, we care for them. They couldn't dress and make this time to show you how much they care. They don't want to walk every day. They don't do the dance every day. Once a year. And they do it for you to recognize how loving they are. How much they love you. How much they care for you. And that is why the elegance shows and shines. Yes, the Catholic women of San Francisco Bay Area, the pioneers of all the women, the beauty, the cream of the crops of the area, the people who started. You see, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a part of your beauty you are losing. You are losing peace, and I may go home with it. If this is yours, come see me. It adds to your beauty. And we love you. We care about you. It's always a pleasure. Oh yes, this is your name. We love you. Joe. Hey. Welcome to wedding. Look for you don't me. You take me.